Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to show you on this video here what happened if you remove the wiring harness from the oil pressure switch. If you go down here, it's on 0 bar, ignition on. Okay, ignition on, 0 bar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to torch. If you look inside there, look inside there, see that part there, this one here, that's your oil pressure switch, which is the same as the 997. Okay, so now I'm going to remove one of the wires. If you disconnect the wire, see what happened. Let's go have a look at the oil pressure switch. Look where it is, it's at 5 bar, and that's why that 997 oil pressure switch went up to 5 bar, because we have removed the wiring harness. There's nothing connected, that's why it went up to 5 bar and stuck there, which is the same as this car here. We removed the switch just to show some of the customer that actually that's what happened. So very easy to get fooled by the internet. A lot of people go on the internet and search a lot of videos and rubbish on the internet. I'm telling you right now, watch my video, because I'm doing it in real life, and I'm doing it with my pressure gauge, and I'm doing it with everything in front of you. No guessing and no talking about all the stuff they know. But I want to show you this is what happened. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.